What's up, guys? Tech Guy Physics. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about two new things that were announced by Apple by the WWDC event on Monday. I know it is now Wednesday, but I want to do the video now that I know more about it and stuff like that. So as you can see, before we even start the video talk about that, so I want to show you something really cool that you can do to your Mac to make it look like OS X Yosemite. As you can see, I'm not running developer version of it. I'm running 10.9.3, and I have mine look pretty much like Yosemite. I have the background, which you can easily get, and there's also a link in the description to a video that tells you exactly how to do all of this. But right now, to show you examples of how mine looks. As you can see, I have the dock looks different, and all my applications look, or most of my applications look like Yosemite applications. As you can see, the trash can, folders, settings, Finder, Launchpad, Mission Control, Safari, Mail, Calendar, Reminders, Notes, iMessages, all that, and even the App Store. It all looks like Yosemite stuff. So if you want to go check out how to do this and make yours look as much as possible like Yosemite, go check in the link below to a Snazzy Lab video. Now let's get into what this video is actually about: iOS 8 and OS X Yosemite features. So it is coming. Both of these will be coming this fall, so that's very exciting to know. So the first feature is photos. Every photo you take now goes to every single one of your devices. Every edit, every album now lives into your iCloud photo library, easily viewable and consistent on all your devices automatically. The all-new photo app makes it simpler than ever to find and rediscover your favorite photos. And you can easily make every shot look even more better immediately after you've taken it with the powerful new editing tools. And now there's also new features to the messaging app, where now messages will let you connect with friends and families no matter what device they have. And you can tap to add your voice to any conversation, send a video for what you're seeing at the moment as you're seeing it, and easily share locations so you know right away where you are. You can also message people with your iMessage account on any if they have an Android device, you can easily on your iPod, and you can actually message people with even if they don't have an iMessage. So it's really cool. Design. Details make the experience. These details make it brilliant. In iOS 8, you will find convenient new ways to respond to notifications, helpful shortcuts for that people you talk to the most, and time-saving features for managing your mail, all of which make it experience using iPhones, iPad, or iPod Touch that much better. So now they add, as you can see here, they have favorites and recent calls up on your multitasking area. You can also now flag trash on email that add new stuff to emails, and you also respond to notifications right away. As you can see here, you can accept fan requests, or you can reply to messages just from your notification bar without actually going into the application. They also added a new keyboard. You can now also download third-party keyboards to your iPhone and use them, like, for example, SwiftKey on the Android, which is also going to be on the Apple now. iOS 8 makes it typing easier by suggestions. As you can see here, it suggests what you should want to write next, and the more you use this, the better and more responsive it gets. So that's really cool. Can actually appropriates words to complete your sentences. It even recognizes to whom you're typing and whatever your mail or message is. Because of your tone in the email may be different from the tone in message. So if you use a lot of slang and stuff like that, it will actually adjust how you write and stuff like that. Now there's family. The new application is family sharing. Sharing with your family comes naturally. Now it comes to all your content. Family sharing makes it easy to up to 6 people in your family to share each other's iTunes, iBooks, and App Store purchases. Whenever one person buys a new song, a movie, or an app, everyone gets to share. It's also easier than ever to share family photos, a family calendar, and locations, and more. So that's really cool. They added a new application where you can share all of your thingy, all your content that you buy from Apple. Now they have another ripoff from Google, which is iCloud Drive, Google Drive, iCloud Drive. Okay, cool. Any kind of files, all of your devices. The good news, you can work on any file whenever. The bad news, you can work on any file whenever. This includes presentations, PDFs, images, and more. Right from iCloud, or whatever device you're using, including your Mac or PC. So it even works on your PC, which is really cool also. They also added a new health app, an entirely new way to use your health and fitness information, stolen off of Samsung. But not exactly, they do have a lot of newer features and better features. Now your activity tracker, heart rate monitor, and other health and fitness apps can talk to each other. So all your All the health fitness apps that work with this application will automatically put everything into this application by itself if you have it linked up to it, which means they will be able to work even harder for you. And all your information is accessible with one easy to read dashboard. So that's a really cool application that is also new to iOS 8. Another cool thing is iPhone, iPad, and Mac connected like never before. Things are about to get even better. For people with multiple Apple devices, now you can start an email on one device and seamlessly continue on another. And iPhone owners can answer phone calls on their Mac or iPad, which is really cool, and even send SMS messages from any of them also. So that's an also really cool feature added. Another cool is a better spotlight features. Sometimes you are looking for content for an app, which will also, you can look up movie times, you can look up applications, you can look up stores, anything you want. You can search a web on Spotlight, which is really cool and a really great thing that they added to Spotlight. Now they added SDK, which is also named Metal, which is also going to be helping developers make very great applications for new Apple devices coming out. iOS is the biggest release for developers since introducing the App Store. We're giving them new tools to extend the reach of their apps and opening up to new opportunities to them to take advantage of iCloud, Touch ID, and more. Which means you'll soon see exciting new apps with capabilities that were never possible before. Touch ID will now have third-party access, and iCloud too, which is really cool. iOS 8 is makes a more powerful business partner. So now iPhone and iPads have become the devices of choice at work simply because they are devices of choice in daily life. And it gets even better in iOS 8 with productivity, security, and device management features. So as you can see, you can add people that work with you to schedule conferences and stuff like that with the new features with iOS 8. All the devices that will be compatible with iOS 8, the Apple Touch Fit variation, iPhone 5s, iPhone 5c, iPhone 5, and the iPhone 4s, and obviously the iPhone 6, and everything coming out soon. The iPad 2, the iPad with Retina display, iPad Air, iPad Mini, and iPad Mini with Retina display also will be compatible with iOS 8. The next thing we'll be talking about is OS X Yosemite and all the features. This is also coming out in fall, like I said before. So now we redesigned all the applications you can see down here. All these applications have been redesigned, look really nice. It makes it look really like toyish, but I actually really like it at the same time. And all the applications inside have also been redesigned also, making it look everything so much better. So much more to see at a glance. The Today View and Notifications Center gives you a quick look at everything you need to know, upcoming events, reminders, stocks, weather, and more. Add widgets to your Mac App Store to customize what you see. Spotlight is even better than ever also on the Mac OS X 70. With new search windows and rich scrollable previews of results, Spotlight makes it even easier than ever to find things on your Mac. And now it finds information with Wikipedia, Bing, Maps, and other sources too. They also have great, powerful built-in apps do everyday things in extraordinary ways. One of the best things about Mac is now it comes loaded with state-of-art, beautiful design apps you'll love every day. In OS X Yosemite, those apps give you new ways to do things you do most. The apps will use surf the web, read mail, send messages, and organize files, have a simpler, more elegant look, and we've enchanted them with great new features. So all the applications now have great new features. So here are the features of the new apps. Safari, the new streamlined toolbar is Safari puts your most important controls at your fingertips and gives them more from what you're viewing. Safari also gives you faster performance and more control of your privacy. Now Mail lets you send large attachments more easily. You can annotate documents and fill out forms, write your email messages. Faster performance means you'll get your emails more quickly also. Message if you have an iPhone, now you can send and receive both iMessages and SMS messages right on your iMac. Add people to your group conversations and remove yourself from them when you want. Even record short audio clips to add your voice to your conversation. iCloud Drive. Store in any type of file in your iCloud and access it on any device. With iCloud Drive, you can organize your files in cloud in any way you'd like. Create as many folders as you want and add tags to find files faster. Mac and iOS connected like never before. Use a Mac or iOS device and you can do incredible things. Use them together and you can do so much more. Because now iOS X, Yosemite, and iOS 8 all your devices work together even more harmoniously. They recognize when they're near each other, enable brilliant new features, and feel magical and yet make perfect sense. Phone calls. Now you can receive iPhone calls on your Mac. So if you're working on your Mac and your iPhone rings in another room, you can leave it there and still take a call. SMS. Text messages on your iPhone, including SMS and iMessage, are now available on your Mac. Send, receive, read, and reply all without picking up your phone. Handoff. Now your Mac knows the last thing you were doing on your iOS device, which vice versa, so you can start something on your one device and just pick up on another device. Instant hotspot. Turn on personal hotspots on your iPhone with just a few clicks on your phone on your Mac. So as long as your iPhone is nearby, you can get online without your Mac. Apps are about to get even more amazing. We created new tools, even a new programming language for app developers to build a next generation of apps and games, and will make the Mac experience even richer for you. Test drive OS X even more better. The OS X beta program gives you a sneak peek of the OS X. So if you want to check out OS X Yosemite, you can just easily actually sign up for a developer account and get it for just $100, which is not what I'm going to do. I'll wait till fall to get it for free. So those are all the new features with iOS 8 and OS X Yosemite. I like a lot of the features that are going to OS X Yosemite. It looks really cool. iOS 8 is really also looking really cool. I'm probably going to get iPhone 6 just because of it. But a lot of features are being taken off Android, but Android does take a lot of features from Apple also, so not really much of a difference. Anyway, that's it for this video. Make sure to like this video, share it on Facebook, Twitter, Google+, subscribe if you guys haven't already. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.